Alright, today I am setting up a little circuit to slow charge our power supplies for our electric cars. What happens, I believe, is you turn off your power supply so that you're shutting the car down. Then when you come to turn it on, because these power supplies are designed to run on AC power, which is a fluctuation, that surge of DC power coming in that doesn't change polarity 60 times a second seems to be blowing out our power supplies. At least we've had a couple that have, and I'm thinking that this is the reason because of this. So I've made up this little circuit, and what we have is this is a MOSFET transistor, which is our high voltage input. The transistor is turned on by this circuit here, this with a 100K 100,000 ohm resistor to our B+. The electricity comes in here, starts to charge up this capacitor, and when this capacitor, as it's getting charged, it starts turning this transistor on. And as it turns it on, we get a gradual turning on, and then all of a sudden this is on all the way, and our power supply is on the way. Now we've got a resistor here to discharge the capacitor, and we've got a Zener diode to keep our gate from going too high. So the Zener diode will draw some of the current off. With a 100,000 ohm resistor, we should basically be putting out 1 milliamp per every 100 volts. So 200 volts will be passing 2 milliamps through this resistor, keeping this capacitor charged and draining it down here. Actually, this is going to be 100K also, so we actually have a voltage divider. So at 200 volts, we're really only 100 volts across here. So the Zener diodes, the Zener diode kind of bypasses that resistor there with a bit of the current. Anyway, there's our setup. So I've soldered him all together on here. And I got a little test circuit so that we can see it work. And what we see is as soon as I hook this up, the light bulb comes on. But it takes a little bit of time. So there's a little delay there. And of course, if I put a resistor in there, that delay will get bigger. I'm not sure if it will even charge with... Yeah, boy, that's a long delay. So anyway, so it's working. So we're going to go down and put it in the car.